guys, this is the seaside here in Lamu town. Lamu is a really beautiful, incredible, authentic African island. Beautiful weather, people are amazing, food is good. I'm going to go swim now. So I just love Lamu. I just can't believe the people are so nice here. Really good, kind people. Challenging life for people here. Very hardworking people. The donkeys are the main transport here. No cars are allowed in the whole town, so most transport is done by donkeys. Around 1,500 donkeys in all of Lamu County. Hard life for people, but people are very good here, very helpful, honest people, kind people. Remote island, but an excellent, authentic African experience. ये देखिए how those stones are loaded on top of those donkeys. Even for donkeys, it's a very hard life. They have to walk for long, many miles. It's very heartbreaking. I hope these donkeys are well taken care of.